everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of my Amazon finds. Today's edition is home decor and I'm redoing my bedroom, so I have a couple of decor items that I bought from Amazon and I think maybe from Kirkland's as well. So there might be a few items from Kirkland's, but other than that everything else is from Amazon. And yes, I recorded this look. It'll be up on my Instagram if you want to see it. I don't know when, but sometime. I will link my Instagram here so you guys can see my Instagram videos. Also, I took off my lashes, so if I look crazy, if I have some lash glue, don't mind it. This is not about my makeup. It's about the Amazon finds. So the first find, and I'm not sure about the exact prices. I will link the prices here. Everything is super affordable as well, and I think, you know, if you want to redo your bedroom, these choices are really great. I'm also showing some clips of the before, and I'm also showing clips of the after as well, so you guys can see what it looked before and after. I've been living in this place for like 3 or 4 years now, and I totally forgot to redo my bedroom, and like, you know, it was time finally to do a little change in the bedroom, so this is what this video is about. So the first item is this boho chic macrame. I don't know how to say that. Like, hello, I should know these things, but yeah, macrame. But it's handmade and it's beautiful, and it's this small rug. I didn't want anything too big. I've seen everyone with those big shaggy rugs or those fluffy rugs. Instead, I went with this because it goes more with my theme. So my house is farmhouse / boho themed, and yeah, I've just been loving the boho. I started off with farmhouse, but then it kind of turned into boho, so it's just a mixture. It's my own thing, so I do whatever I want, right? So this is very boho, very cute, even farmhouse like. So yeah, it's just gonna go right on the side of my bed on my side, and yeah, I think this was $15.99, so it's not bad. It is handmade with love, so $15.99 for that is not bad at all, and the size of it I think is perfect. I also got this mirror, and this was supposed to go in my living room, but I didn't look at the dimensions, and yeah, I kind of messed up, so I haven't found quite the mirror yet. I am gonna change. I have like a clock in my fireplace, but I don't want that. I want to change it up to a nice mirror, but I haven't found the mirror yet. I have to keep looking around, but I did find this mirror, and I think it was like $15, something like that. And yeah, she is a beauty. Also, if the prices changed, because some of these items I bought a while ago, so maybe prices changed, I'm not sure. I think I bought this like 5 months ago. So yeah, she's so pretty. It's kind of nautical theme, but it's not nautical. It still has that farmhouse vibe. My house all around, if you see my house, is very woodsy and white, so that's what I have going on all around, and basically that's what farmhouse is. Very white, woodsy, and all types of wood finishes and things like that. So this is, yeah, a cute mirror that's gonna go on my shelf with some of the other items. Behind my bed, I'm going to have, or on top of my bed, I should say, I'm gonna have a shelf. I figured I'll put a shelf because I've been loving shelves. If you see my kitchen, I will eventually show you guys once it's completely finished what I did in my kitchen, but we changed it around and we did shelves instead of having so many cabinets and things like that. So I ordered this shelf, and it's a 42-inch shelf if I'm not mistaken, and it is all white, and I think this was $30 or something like that. Yeah, these shelves are not cheap. I'm not gonna go telling you that you're gonna pay like 20 bucks or whatever it is for these shelves. The shelves in my kitchen I got for I think it was 40 bucks, something like that. But you know, we had to have good quality shelves in the kitchen, and shelves that will be long lasting, so you know, there I can spend like a lot of money. But this one costs I think about $30. Like I said, I will link it, but it's gonna look so cute the way I'm gonna have it flat with, you know, some items, very farmhouse, very boho, some plants and things like that. So I'm so excited, and I can't wait to show you guys the finished look. So I got these, and this is from Kirkland's actually. This is not an Amazon find. So Kirkland's is also a very affordable website, but I think their sales are what always gets me. Items are really pricey. Like, I'm like, damn, why does that have to be so pricey? So you see, this one here was $40 for this 2-piece set, which is not bad still. 20 for each, but it was still too pricey, so I waited for it to go on sale, and I think I got this two for $15. And one says I am yours, and then the other one says I am yours, and then the other says you are mine. So these are gonna go on the shelf. And yeah, I thought it would look so cute. So this is, of course, brown with white again. Like I said, I used like the woodsy with the white a lot. And this one's you are mine. So yeah, I think that's so cute. I mean, some people are gonna be like, I am yours, you are mine. What is that? That's like, you know, overprotective or whatever. But I just wanted something like his and hers in the bedroom, and that's what I found. And I mean, I could have bought the his and hers, looked more, and found something better, but I think that's still so cute. You're mine, I am yours. I mean, some people may not like it because, you know, we don't belong or we don't own each other or whatever it is, but it's not really like that. It's like, you know, you're mine, I'm yours, la la la, you know. Honestly, check the Kirkland sale, they are awesome. So then I got these, and I got these actually for my daughters as well for their room. And these are Twinkle Star Diamond string lights, and they are like this. They're like so freaking cute. They're like diamond shaped or whatever, and they're rose gold. So they are so cute, and they are battery operated, so you don't really need to plug it in anywhere. All you need to do is pop on some batteries. So these were $10, and I think they were worth it. They work so well in my daughter's room. They light up the room so well, and they are good quality. They're long enough to have like a wall space that's, you know, big enough, like bigger than this. So yeah, I think they're really worth it for $10. I bought some from a while ago from Dollar Tree, and of course I can't expect much from Dollar Tree, but those were actually really good too, but they were short. So I like the fact that these are longer. These are, let's see, 6 by 6 feet, and yeah, they are super good, and they've been working in my daughter's bedroom. So if you're looking for lights that don't require to plug in, these are really, really good. And also, if you live like me in the mountains, these are always good to have in case of emergencies, because, you know, the power goes out all the time. So having lights like this is a good thing. Last but not least, I got plants. Of course, what is decor without plants, I think? And of course, these are fake plants. I do have real plants, but I do take them out eventually. I have some ones that are really long that I have to repot, so that's what I'm going to be doing with some other plants for the bedroom. So I'm going to be repotting plants. But I found this gem, and this was originally $14.99. This is also from Kirkland's. $14.99, but I didn't pay $14.99. I think I paid like $4 for this. But look how cute this is. I love the fact that it had the clay pot like this that is double colored. And I don't know, I just thought these were so different. I like that it has like these hangies. It's gonna look so cute on the shelf. And yeah, for $4 or $5, I think it was, I'm not sure, it's gonna look cute. So yeah, I just thought I needed like a pop of color, and since I like to play around with the woods or whatever, a terracotta with gray would look cute in the bedroom. I found these plants, so I thought it would look cute when I put the yours and mine to have right next to it on each side. These were 2 for $15. Now, plants are kind of pricey, and the ones that look, you know, real are kind of pricey, but when you find 2 for the price of like 1 in like some stores, then it's always a good thing. So I found these 2 for $15. Usually you go to Marshall's or whatever, you find one for like $12.99 or $7.99 and things like that. You may find a little bit cheaper, but when you find 2 for $15.99, I think that's a steal. So I got these 2 on Amazon for $15.99, and I think they're cute. They look a little real, not too real, but for the purpose that I wanted, next to the picture frames and on the shelf. I think it'll look cute, and of course I got it with the white base because I have wood walls and I think the white sticks out more on the wood walls. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this little Amazon finds video. I will leave here the finished product so you guys can see the finished look and see how my room is looking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like videos like this. Let me know in the down below if you like videos like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. So this is the before. I wanted to do it before, you know, I started to show everything else and showed you the after because I'm so bad at this. But this is the before. The room is not too big, and I mean it's pretty big because we have a master bathroom too. So yeah, so this is how it's looking. Here are all the stuff that I ordered from Amazon for the room. There's something from Kirkland's as well, and yeah, I'm gonna be mentioning everything in this video. But yeah, this is pretty much the room, and yeah. So we're gonna see the after I'm done cleaning, because I'm cleaning like the bed and making sure everything is clean before I go adding anything new. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys the after. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking after everything's up. Everything's super simple, nothing too over the top. It looks way better than it looked before, but you see that both of the tables, the end tables, they are small, just enough just the perfect size for this area. And I put a little planter. I have the lamps and also my little bunny tail thingy going on there. But I love these end tables. They're just perfect, and I found those two for $79 on Amazon. So it was just perfect for me, super affordable, and of course, you know, it went with the theme that I wanted. So these bed sheets I had for a while now, and yeah, I just bought these to go underneath, and these I bought on Amazon. They are not worth it. They changed color. They were this brown and they went to this color, so I do not recommend buying sheets on Amazon. And then of course this is the shelf that I wanted you guys to see. It's super simple but super cute. The I am yours is on my side, the you are mine is on his side, and I just threw some planters. Those are super light and perfect for that area. Some lights and the Buddha. And then over here I have, this used to be here in the middle, so I just felt like keeping it in the room. And then this was a gift from my brother, and this is his space. And I just put my mirror that used to be over there, over here. That's pretty much it for now. And then I also put my drawers in here because I used to have this one in the bathroom, but then I bought two and it wasn't enough space. So this is what I have going on in this area, and I would show you the rest of the room, but it's a mess. I'm still working on it, but I wanted to get this video up because the important part was the little change I did in this area. And then I also bought this little rug, and it was $15 on Amazon, and I just felt like it puts my little space together. And yeah, very humble, very simple, but very cute. So yeah, you don't have to spend that much money. I guess this is what this video is about. You don't have to go spending a whole bunch of money to make your room look cute. A nice shelf is always cute. Glam up a room but still have space in the room. And also it's above where I would want it. I want it to be more centered, maybe about here, not too high. But my hubby was super scared. He's like, no, what if I hit my head when I get up? There's some distance, but I'm like, whatever. It's still between the lights, so it still worked out. Let me turn on the other light so you guys can see how it looks. There, both lights are on now. I don't know why I didn't have the other light on. But I guess between the lights, it looks still cute. I might get something to go right in the middle so it doesn't look too open. Maybe like a little hang. Maybe I'll move that over here and get something else for that wall. Let's see. But you see how the white with the brown walls, it just opens up the space and makes it look much better because we have so much brown on the walls. But I love the wood vibes, so I just add white to make it look more open and bright. But the wood vibes and the cabin vibes, I like it. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. So after watching, I started watching the videos a little bit, started to edit it, and I'm like, wait a minute, I have another mirror. So I decided to place the peace sign here, and I think it looks better now. It doesn't look so open and empty, so it kind of like, it goes perfect. I like it. And that peace sign I made, it was super simple. I bought that round thing in Walmart, and it's like a round tube for wreaths and things like that. I made a wreath for my baby's birthday, but then I took it off and I just got some tulle, white tulle, and that string, and super easy to make. So back to the video, I found the mirror. So I'm like, I can put this mirror here temporarily until I find something that maybe is like makeup themed or whatever it is, because of course this is my little area. But for now, girl, the mirror works there, and I did have nowhere to put it. So for now, I think it looks cute. It's kind of like open space here, but for now it works out, and I gotta clean it a little bit. But I actually like the way the peace sign looks there a lot, and I think it like made everything come together because it was just bugging me, the space that was there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.